Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in school today. I just dropped the kids. Hello. Oh, nice weather today. Nice to go walking in the park or in the beach. But I'm busy, that's why I won't be able to go walking. Happy Thursday everyone!